What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally a video after so long that is not shot inside the house. Funnily enough, we made this kind of impromptu getaway because a friend of mine bought a drone and it just won't fly inside Bangalore because of drone flying restriction in that area. So when the talk of heading out somewhere over the weekend came out, we all kind of jumped at the opportunity because everybody was losing their minds staying in the same spot for what seems like forever now. So we did some intense search on the internet for a day and found a place we all were happy with. And on 27th of February 2021, we headed for a quick hill station staycation in Tamil Nadu. Since it was a very short trip, I didn't really want to spend all of it vlogging because I wanted to be really present at the moment. I did, however, take a quick house tour before leaving, so here goes. We reached the property after around 7 hours of driving from Bangalore. Our spot was villa number 8 of the Finch Echo Homes in Kodinad, Tamil Nadu. As soon as we caught our breath from all the traveling, we headed straight to the common area where they had a restaurant because we were so freaking hungry. Gotta be honest though, the service in the restaurant definitely needs to be improved. We got to know that it's a relatively new place and we were one of the first few customers, so it's kind of understandable in that way that it will take a little bit of time for better service, but still I thought I needed to mention it.
It looks like Miyagi Do this area.
For the rest of the stay, we chilled the F out in almost every single vibey spot we found in the property. Let me give you a quick house tour as I talk about it. Disclaimer, I took this footage just right before leaving, so don't expect it to be in the idle state that we caught it in. We enter and see the living room area with basic things like couch, coffee table, TV, and the best part, of course, is the big window and the view from it, which is actually the best part about every single room, I guess. Moving on to the dining area, which also has a big enough window to have a clear look at the same gorgeous view outside. Past that is the kitchen, which we barely used actually. Okay, let's continue to the cute little backyard area. We actually chilled for a very long time over here. It was in fact a great place to hang out in before sunset because there was enough shade compared to the front. Each of us even took turns flying the drone when we were here, so good times. There is also one bedroom in the ground floor. The house has a total of 3 bedrooms with attached bathrooms, and all of them are huge. Okay, let's go upstairs. The first thing that really caught my eyes in this house was this balcony and the sheer amount of light that poured inside in here. It's quite windy over here and looks like the wind left its mark, so let's quickly fix that first. We actually ended up spending hours on this balcony after sundown listening to old vibey songs, and it was a full moon night, so what more could we have asked for? Let's head inside and check out the other 2 rooms. The room towards the right is the one I stayed in, and I probably got the best sleep since 2020 started. I think that's the magic of hill stations. Maybe I should permanently shift to one when I get old. By the way, seeing a view like this from bed just after waking up in the morning is something. I won't be able to show this bathroom because a friend of mine is taking a shower at the moment, but it's the exact same as the one downstairs, so yeah, it doesn't really matter. Onto the last bedroom. It's probably the biggest, and look at this massive bathroom attached to it. Just count the number of shower heads and notice the amount of sunlight pouring in. I'm a huge fan of naturally well-lit spaces, so I love this. Notice the fire pit? We of course had to make use of that, and it actually got quite cold at night, so we had to do a bonfire session. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it really helps, and yeah, have a great day ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.